Hello everyone, for our next assignment and for the rest of the year, we're going to be making contact sheets. They're fairly easy to make, but it's important to know how to do it. So what you need to do is you need to make sure you have an album that has at least 20 pictures in, because each contact sheet that I ask you to do will need at least 20 pictures in there. So I'm going to start with this one. This one's called Camera Roll. There's 20 pictures in here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and we're going to do View Options, and we want to make sure that the small thumbnail is clicked so we can get the most images on our picture. Something else will probably be picked, but that's okay. Then you're going to hit the slideshow button, which is like the little play symbol. If you hit that, all of your pictures are going to show up. So if you have more than 20, that's great, but every project will need at least 20. To save that as a contact sheet, you need to screenshot. To screenshot, you're going to hold and press the home button at the same time. And then a little picture gets taken. And then if we go to that, if you hold that picture, it will ask you to adjust it. If you want to adjust it, you can take the top off so I don't see that anymore. Maybe if you have some pictures down here that you also want to get rid of, you can do that. It's just to make it look clean, right? Because I'm going to see these, and if it's messy and it's not super clean, then it's just harder on Mr. Gout, so don't do that. Then you can hit the Done button up here, Save to Photos. Then when you go to your photos, that will show up in your recent photos, which is right here. Wham bam, there's your contact sheet. Fairly simple. If you have any questions, let me know. You'll need this for your next project, so it's important to watch this video. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day. I'll see you guys later. Bye.